呢個呢個呢個 What are the other measure words that we can use? Let's find out more in this video. Hi, welcome to We Can Canton. 粵廣粵講 it's Tracy here. In Cantonese, we use measure words to help us describe the quantity of objects precisely. To make up a phrase, we'll need the quantity first like 一, then the measure word like 個, followed by the noun like 蘋果,一個蘋果. In a spoken sentence, we normally skip the quantity when the number is 1. For example, we'll say 俾個蘋果我 instead of 俾一個蘋果我. I picked 20 common measure words to share with you. Let's go through them together. 個 it means individual. This is the most common measure word. It can be used for people, places, countries, concepts, and so on. 一個小朋友，一個公園，一個建議。間 We usually use this measure word for a place with indoors and rooms. For example, 一間公司，一間屋，一間餐廳。件 It usually refers to a piece or package in English. Also, it can be used for upper body garments. For example, 一件蛋糕，一件恤衫。條 The literal translation is a strip. It can be used for thin or long objects like this shape. Also, it can be used for autumn wear. For example, 一條頭髮，一條褲。粒 It means small particles or grains like a lolly, a pearl, or a star. 一粒糖，一粒珍珠，一粒星星。隻 is usually used for animals, for utensils, for hands and legs. 一隻狗，一隻手，一隻碗。對 It means a pair. 一對手，一對鞋。打 It means a dozen. 一打蛋，一打西餅。碗 It means a bowl. 一碗飯，一碗湯。煲 It means a pot. 一煲湯，一煲粥。杯 It means a cup. 一杯水，一杯汽水。枝 It means a branch. It's usually used for something thin and stiff. It can also refer to a bottle. 一支吉他，一支筆，一支汽水。樽 It means a bottle. 一樽汽水，一樽豉油，一樽鹽。包 It means a bag or packet. 一包薯片，一包紙巾。盒 It means a box. 一盒紙巾，一盒糖。份 It usually refers to a portion or a copy. For example, 一份午餐，一份報紙。張 It means a sheet. 一張紙，一張紙巾。本 It refers to a book. 一本書，一本相簿。價 is usually used for vehicles. 一架車，一架飛機。部 is usually used for devices. 一部相機，一部電腦。I hope you found this video useful. Do you have any questions? Comment down below and share with us. That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!